A long time ago, there existed a being who called himself the absolute ruler. He was the sovereign of all creation, the king of the entire multiverse. But even he could not maintain every world, every timeline, every strand of existence alone. So he forged beings of immense power, gods. The lower gods, countless in number, were each assigned to oversee the universes crafted for them. But above them stood the higher gods, only six in all, beings whose power rivaled the very laws of reality. For eons harmony endured, balance held, creation thrived, until one day, Itaris, brightest among the higher gods, dared to do the unthinkable. He created a universe of his own, a universe born of pure light, and in doing so, he shattered a sacred law written by the absolute ruler himself. And now,